So at the very
Yeah,
beginning,
sure.
I would like to know what is your understanding about SAP SD?
Oh yeah. So my understanding in regards with SAP SD, so it is one of the many modules in SAP. So that consists of activities such as pre-sales, sales, delivery, and invoicing. So uh, those are the core activities, or those are the core functionalities that we have for SAP SD that is very uh, needed in a company that is using SAP.
Okay. So my next question is, what do you understand by organization structure in SAP SD?
Yeah. So in regards with the enterprise structure of SAP SD, so it is the organizational structure of a business within an SAP system. So the organizational structure that we have for SAP SD, if that is your next question, is the first one is the sales area. So it is the entity that is the entity that in charge in processing the order or to in a company. So the sales order consists of a sales organization, distribution channel, and the division. So for the sales organization, it is the highest level of the or structure that is in charge or of the processing of sales and distribution. And the next one is distribution channel. So this is the medium use that we use to distribute the services or the goods of the company. And lastly, the division it represents a product or a specific service of that company. So those are the enterprise structure that mainly used in SAP SD.
Right. So can you tell me what is the use of sales area?
Sorry, sales.
My question is, what is the use of sales area?
Okay, sales area. So as mentioned, it is the entity which required or it is the entity that processed. It represents a specific company, so it can distribute services or goods within its entity.
John, can you tell me what are different partner functions available in SAP SD?
Yeah, so for the partner functions, we have the ship to, sold to, payer as well, and biller. So sold to is the one or the customer that we are selling the goods or the services, and ship to is the one or the customer wherein we will be delivering the goods or the services. Payer is not the one who will gonna pay the services they consume or the goods that they purchase, and lastly the biller as well. So there's other partner functions as well in SAP SD, such as forwarding agent that I have uh, used in my previous companies and projects alike. Also, we have some. What else do we have for forwarding agents? And yeah, so I think those are the major: sold to, ship to, payer, and biller as well. Shadat.
Okay, John. Uh, can you tell me what are the different customer account groups that you can create in SAP SD?
Sorry, Shadat, but I don't think I have configured or done
Okay,
account groups in the past, but I'm very familiar with the terms. I have seeing that account groups in a specific. No.
just like
Yeah.
to
So
know.
yeah, I'm so sorry.
Yes, like for example, there is a domestic customers are there, export customers, one-time customers. Just I want to know the customer account groups that are actually you can create in SAP SD. However, it's okay. Let's move to the next question.
Mm.
So, what is a sales activity, and what are different sales activity that you perform in SD?
So if I understand it correctly, the sales activity,
Yes,
is
yes,
that what you mentioned? Yeah.
yes.
So the sales activity that we have in SAP SD is first the pre-sales, then sales, delivery, shipping, and then billing. So the pre-sales consists of uh, process of inquiring. So it consists of the document types inquiry, also for the quotation. So those are the activities that are or the document types that are involved in pre-sales. Then going to the next activity is the sales itself. So wherein the involved process or the documents are the standard order or the OR. Also the one of the known excuse me. So one of the known document as well for the sales phase is the return order. So for the next one, also for delivery, the standard one is LF or the outbound delivery and return delivery as well to compensate the return order and going to the shipping and then the last part would be the invoice. So invoicing consists of the standard invoice or DF2. So yeah.
Okay. So my next question is, what do you understand by sales order processing?
Is what you is sales order processing? Is that what you asked?
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, the understanding for me of sales ordering process is it's the processing of the orders or of a specific customer in order to for us to provide the requested services or the goods. So it is a process of ensuring that the specific customer request should be handed to them in a timely manner in the expected or agreed time. So it is sales order processing ensure that the requested services or goods of a specific customer should be delivered.
Okay, thank you so much, John, for joining the discussion again. So it was, I'm really thankful to you uh, for attending this discussion for the second time. Anyways,
Mhm.
wish you best of luck
Sure.
and let's see what happens. Take care.